Today, take a look at the S6 triple screen laptop screen extender. So this actually comes with a carrying pouch, so we got something we can carry that around in. It even has a Velcro pouch on the front, so we can carry our cables. Very nice to have that. But this is the meat and potatoes. Got kind of a nice carbon fiber look on it. You can see right here, this is the right side monitor, so this is just going to kind of peel apart. And we have now got two different monitors. Now these do attach to each other magnetically, but one neat thing they did, they actually put these little cutouts in here, and there are these rubber kind of line-up pins on there. So if these things slap together, you don't really have to worry about them sliding around, potentially scratching each other up. Now on the other side, we have got this guy. So this is going to be what connects those displays together. And that is also magnetic, so I can drop it on there, close it up, and we got two displays in basically the size of one normal display. So a very capable little thing. This slides apart. This is going to be what sits behind your laptop. And you probably recognize this shape. That will drop into this socket. You can see there's a detent in there, so it'll kind of click into place. What's even cooler than that is that this can actually swivel. So most laptop screen extenders, they can only go 16 by 9. So it's going to be shorter than it is wide, so like most monitors. But if we flip that guy up, we can attach our display like that, and we can run our monitors in portrait mode. So if you need to see anything text-based, so especially if you're doing any kind of programming or anything like that, this is going to make your life a lot easier. But of course, we can still rotate these guys, and we can use that in landscape mode. Now on the back, we do have a stand, so if we want this to stand up by itself, then we can kind of pull our displays in, so they're going to be a little easier for us to see, so they're kind of pointing at us. So very versatile system, and I love having this just large set of displays that all easily packed down to something you can fit into a little pouch like this. So we also got our user manual, we got our quick start guide, and we got our cables and our adapters. Now these are actually pretty cool. So if we want to, we could drop this into here, and we can flip the whole thing up. I'll go ahead and rotate it. Now if I drop this adapter on the back, I can put this display on that, and now we have two displays by themselves in a top to bottom orientation. So you just take our laptop, set it down beside it, and we'll have two displays on our right side. That's something that's very unique to the S6, so you cannot get with any other extender. So we've also got two USB-C cables. So these are both USB-C to USB-C. What I like about it is that it's got that right angle on there. So if you want to, you can plug that into the side of your laptop, and you won't have to worry about it taking up the real estate for your mouse. So that's nice. And we got a USB-C to HDMI. So if your laptop isn't capable of video input through USB-C port, but it does have an HDMI, you'll still be able to use your laptop with those displays. And we have two USB-C to USB-A cables. So if you don't want your laptop powering these displays, you can use this to supply power to those displays. On the bottom of each display, we got three USB-C ports, and we got the selector. So I'm going to plug into Type-C 1, and I'll plug those into my laptop. So the laptop does see it. Right click, I'm going to go to display settings, and I'm going to go to extend. Now this one is currently upside down, so I'm going to go to that display and landscape flipped. There we go. So now everything is exactly how I want it. If I keep changes, what I'm curious about is if I unplug it and plug it back in, will it remember that? And it does. Now that is going to be dependent on the laptop and on the display. The display will just be outputting the information. So let's bring this guy in a bit. There you go. I'm going to bring 3 down. I'm going to take 2 to the top. Okay, so now I got my mouse on the top screen. I got it on the bottom screen. And now I got it back on my laptop. Now I can drag my files and folders. I can put it over here. I can do work over here. I can watch my videos over there. That is a very nice display extender.